Okay, in order to multiply, I actually prefer the lattice method. So here is how you do that. 45 times 5. The first number gets written on the top like this. The second number gets written on the side. And then I'm going to make a rectangle and separate each number with lines. Okay, and then you make a diagonal like this in each box. So you multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. Write that down like that. 5 times 5 is 25. And then you add each diagonal. You add the things inside of that diagonal. So this is just a 5 here. 2 plus 0 is 2. And this is just a 2 on this one. So 225 is my answer. So again, the top number goes on the top. The first number goes on the top. The second one goes on the side. I'm going to separate the 9 and the 7 with a line. I'm going to make a diagonal in each of these boxes. And then I multiply. 9 times 2 is 18. Write it like this. 7 times 2 is 14. And then I'm going to add up the things that are in my diagonals. So that diagonal, and then this diagonal, and then this diagonal. So for the green diagonal, I just have a 4. For the yellow diagonal, 1 plus 8 is 9. And then I just have a 1 in my orange diagonal, so 194. Okay, 37 is the first number, so it goes on the top. The second number goes on the side. I make my box and I separate the 3 and the 7 with a vertical line. I make a diagonal for each of these boxes and I multiply. 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 times 7 is 49. So I'm going to add up all of my diagonals. So it doesn't matter if I change the colors up. Okay, so for my first diagonal, the orange one is 9, the yellow diagonal 4 plus 1 is 5, and then my third diagonal, the green one, is 2. So 37 times 7 is 259.